We are going to paint this vase today. Hey friends, we are going to make this Multani blue pottery today. So let's dive in and do it together without any further delay. See, this is a terracotta vase, and terracotta pots have a tendency of drinking up paint. So when you have to paint these pots, soak them in a tub full of water for a whole night and then paint them. This way they won't drink up your paint, and we are using acrylic paints here. We are doing this blue pottery in my style. We are not using traditional paints here. I am using phthalo blue, deep purple and titanium white to paint this vase. The base of your vase is painted and now we can work on it. I am going to paint flowers now, and I am using one stroke painting technique for painting flowers. Put the tip of your brush on the vase and then push it down and drag it, and one petal of your flower is done. This is a simple 5 petaled flower, and make all the petals like this. Blue pottery painting is an old Multani art, and they have been painting blue pots since a long time. I have always liked these pots and I wanted to paint them since a long time. So when I saw this vase, I decided to do blue pottery. Friends, this is a DIY version of blue pottery. Usually and professionally, it's done in a very different way. This is my style of doing it. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, I would say consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Paint these flowers on all the surface of the vase. We have painted all the flowers and now we are going to paint the stems. I am using a fine liner or a round brush of 0 number for painting the stems. You can use any round brush for it. Paint all the stems. All the stems are painted, but we are not done yet. We are going to paint small white leaves now. Again, I am using the same fine liner for painting the leaves. I don't remember who, but someone has asked me why I use a glass plate when I'm painting. Actually, there's a small tip here. All the glassy surfaces are very easy to wash. Acrylic paints won't stick on them. And guys, remember, I always use water based acrylic paints. I don't use oil based acrylic paints. Paint leaves on all the stems. All the leaves are painted, and now we are going to make the center portion of the flower, and for that I am using phthalo blue color and a dotting tool, and I am going to use both heads of the tool. With the fat head I am going to put a dot in the center of the flower, and with the slim head I am going to put dots around that fat dot. Your vase is complete and I have given it a coat of varnish, so you do that too to secure your blue pottery. As we come to the end of this artistic journey, remember that creativity knows no bounds. Whether it's through traditional techniques or innovative twists, you can always create a piece of art. I had painted a small pot just like the bigger one, and thank you for watching.